Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn about the WordPress dashboard. Take the example of the dashboard of the car. It is used to control the different settings of the car. For example, you can switch on the AC, control the temperature. You can turn on the lights. Similarly, the dashboard of WordPress is used to control the different settings of the WordPress website. You can make pages, post, insert images, add users, and control the different settings. All the settings you made while creating the website is controlled using the dashboard of the WordPress. You can add themes and then you add plugins if you need any functionality. There are two ways to get login via URL. First is your website and then wplogin.php, and the second is your website URL and wp admin without .php. So the first method is your address of the website. This is the address of your website, and then slash wplogin.php. Hit enter. This is the username you have created while setting up the WordPress. Enter the password. Hit login. So this is the dashboard of the WordPress. The second method is wp login.php. You will see the same screen. Enter the password here and hit login. You will see the same screen. That is the dashboard of the WordPress. It's the home screen. Home screen is actually for the quick actions. You can save the draft of the post from here. It's the health status of your website. WordPress news and events appear here. It's the overview of your website. There is one post, 2 pages, and 1 comment in your website. The active theme is 2021. Under this activity, there are recent comments. After home, there is updates section. This is the update section. You can update the plugins and themes from here. After that, post section is there. Post, all posts. Only one post in your website, and the post title is Hello World. You can edit the post from here. View the post. This is your post. It's the publish date and time, and the author is Unlearn. After post, there is media section. From here you can upload any kind of media, any kind of text file, image, video, audio, any kind of media is uploaded from here and then is used in the post or the pages. Then there is pages section. There are 2 pages in this website, sample page and the privacy policy page. You can edit and preview the page. Then there is the comment section. All the comments of the users appear here. This is the comment on the post Hello World, and time and date is also there. Then the appearance section. In appearance section, click themes. When you install WordPress, some themes are installed by default. This is the active theme. You can activate this theme if you view the website. This is your active theme. If you change the theme, let's say activate this theme 2022. Theme is activated. Now refresh your website and it's totally changed because the theme has been changed. You can also add the new theme from here. Click add new. There are different categories, popular themes, latest one, and there are favorites. Then there is a feature filter. You can select different options from here according to the layout, subject and feature of your website. Then there is plugin section. 2 plugins have been installed by default while setting up the WordPress. You can add new plugins from here. Plugin is actually the functionality. Then there is a user section. There are 2 users. One is unlearn and its role is administrator. Its email address is unlearn skills. Second one is subscriber. Its role is subscriber. And its email address is ABC Gmail. You can add the user from here. Click add new. You have to provide the username. The role is important. There is subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. You will learn about all these roles in upcoming tutorials. Then there is a tool section. You can import, export. You can export all the content, post, pages, media. Then there is the settings section, settings, journal. There is site title, tagline, the short description of your website, WordPress address URL. Don't change this URL. It will be changed when you move the website. Under settings, there is writing section. There is default post category, which is always uncategorized. If there is any other category you have created, you can assign from here. Default post format is standard. It's the mail server setting. Then reading section is there. In the reading section, you set the home page for your website and you can select the home page from here. You can set how many blogs per page will be there. Then there is the discussion section. All the setting regarding comments is there. Then there is the media section. You can change the image setting from here. After media, there is permalinks. Permalink is actually the format of the URL. So by default, it's plain. For example, go to pages and view the sample page. You can see the format of the URL here. There is page ID. It's due to permalink setting. Now change the permalink from plain to post name and save the changes. Now again go to pages, all pages, view the sample page, and there is the page name. So permalink is the format of the URL. You can build the custom structure from here. You will learn about all these tabs in upcoming tutorial. So that's all for today's lecture. Please like, share the video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any question, please type in the comment box. You will get the reply soon.